Cut the cardboard on same shape. Use this type of cardboard shape and glue it by using glue gun. Like this way. Bring same shape of cardboard and glue it on same way. Like this. Make a same shape from cardboard and glue it on with the help of glue gun. On this way. Cut the small pieces of cardboard and glue it on by glue gun.
On this way. Cut the straight piece of cardboard and glue it by using glue gun. On same way show on video. Bring the same shape of cardboard and glue it by the glue gun. Like same way on video. Bring the DC motor and then join the red and black wires. Same way on this video. Bring 10-volt full battery.
Put the motor inside it. On this way. Bring the battery and glue inside the middle of cardboard. On this way. Bring the same shape of cardboard. Let's join the all wire on this switch. On this way. And let's glue it now by the help of glue gun. On this way. Cut ice cream stick on same way.
And let's glue it on same way on video. Bring another stick. And let's follow the steps same way on video.